Today we discuss module 4 polymer chemistry and stereochemistry. Already we know polymers. What is meant by polymers? Polymers are molecules with large molecular mass obtained by linking together several small repeating chemical units. These repeating chemical units are called monomers. Monomers are the repeating units known as monomers. By linking together a large number of monomers, the polymer molecules are obtained. These monomers may be same or different. Depends on this, polymers classified into homopolymer and copolymer. Homopolymer consists of only one type of monomer. Example, polyethylene, polystyrene, etc. Polyethylene monomer is ethylene. N molecules of ethylene combined together, polyethylene is formed. Polystyrene, then monomer is styrene. N molecules of styrene combined together, polystyrene is prepared. And second is copolymer. Copolymer means when two or more different types of monomers are joined together are called copolymer. Copolymer is made of two or more different monomer units are called copolymer. Then copolymer classified into four types depends on variations in distribution of monomer units. Then mainly classified into four types. First one, random copolymer. Second one, alternate copolymer. Third, block copolymer. Fourth, graft copolymer. First, random copolymer. Random copolymer means the monomer units are randomly arranged along the polymer chain. Consider the monomer A and monomer B. This monomer A and B are arranged in randomly. That is known as the random copolymer. Example, butadiene, styrene polymer, butadiene and acrylonitrile polymer, etc. Second one, alternate copolymer. The monomers are arranged in regular alternating fashion. That means monomer A, then B, then again A, B. That is continued. Then that type monomers are arranged in regular alternating fashion. That is known as the alternate copolymer. Example, polyester, polyamides, etc. The third one, block copolymer. Block copolymer means in this type, a block of one type of monomer is followed by a block of another type of monomer. That is known as the block copolymer. That is monomer A block is followed by monomer B block, again monomer A, again monomer B, that is continued. That is known as the block copolymer. The fourth one, graft copolymer. Graft means a chain of one kind of repeating unit of monomer. By linking together, a polymer chain is formed. Into this, another chain of monomer units of another kind is grafted. A chain is formed by one kind of repeating unit of monomer is grafted onto chain of monomer units of another kind. That is known as the graft copolymer. They are classified into four types: random, alternate, block and graft copolymer. Next, examples of copolymer. First example, ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. It is a terp copolymer. Terp copolymer means consists of three monomer, acrylonitrile, styrene and butadiene. First preparation, X molecules of acrylonitrile and Y molecules of butadiene, then Z molecules of styrene combined together. That means there is no loss of simple molecule, just adding together by rearranging alternate double bond and single bond. That means this double bond is shifted to this, then forming a new bond. Then this double bond is shifted to this single bond. This double bond is shifted to this, then a new bond is formed. This double bond is shifted to another molecule. Then the compound is CH2 single bond CHCN single bond X times CH2 CH double bond CH single bond CH2 double single bond CH2 single bond CH5. This is Z times butadiene Y times, then acrylonitrile X times. This polymer that is known as the ABS. Next, properties of ABS. Properties: good chemical resistance, high tensile strength, hard and rigid, excellent ductility, high heat resistance and flame resistance. Next, application. First application, used for making TV cabin, computer monitor body, etc. Second one, used for making computer keyboard. Third one, for making refrigerated parts. Fourth one, enclosures for electrical and electronic assemblies. Fifth one, used in automobile industry. These are the applications of ABS. ABS, preparation, property, application. Preparation, by combining together three monomers, then ABS is prepared. Then property, then application. Next, second copolymer, Kevlar. Kevlar is a polyparaphenyl terephthalamide. Polyparaphenyl terephthalamide. That is the Kevlar. Then Kevlar is a advanced polymer. Kevlar is a advanced polymer. Then it is formed by condensation reaction between terephthalyl chloride and 1,4-phenyl diamine. Terephthalyl chloride and monomers are terephthalyl chloride and 1,4-phenyl diamine. This is first one, that is the 1,4-phenyl diamine. 1,4-phenyl diamine plus this compound is the terephthalyl chloride. N molecules of terephthalyl chloride plus N molecules of 1,4-phenyl diamine combined together by condensation reaction. The simple molecule item HCl is eliminated. NH2, then one hydrogen. Here COCl, then Cl is combined together HCl. This HCl molecule is eliminated, then combining together, then the structure is NH, benzene ring, NH. A new bond is formed between nitrogen and this carbon. Then CO, phenyl ring, CO, then this bond is formed next molecule, that is N molecule. It is a polymer, that is N molecules is combined together. That is the preparation. The monomers 1,4-phenyl diamine plus N molecules of terephthalyl chloride combined together by condensation reaction. The simple molecule like HCl is eliminated. The last product is this product, that is the Kevlar. The next property. Properties of Kevlar. Properties mean it is 5 times stronger than steel. Strength high. Strength, that means 5 times stronger than steel. Then lightweight material. High chemical resistance, high structural rigidity. That is a property. Strength 5 times stronger than steel. Lightweight material, high chemical resistance, then high structural rigidity. The next thing, application. Used to make parts of aircraft. Second one, used to make bulletproof helmet. Fourth one, parts and body of racing car. Last one, parts of sports items. Prepare use first aircraft parts, bulletproof helmet, then racing car parts, then sports items parts. Next is structure of Kevlar. The strongest bond in Kevlar is the covalent bond. Then the Kevlar consists of three type of bond, that is the covalent bond, hydrogen bonding, and van der Waals force of attraction. That is the strongest bond in Kevlar is covalent bond. Hydrogen bonding exists in Kevlar. Then these chains are linked by weak van der Waals force of attraction. Then another property of Kevlar is it can form liquid crystalline solution. Then the structure is, this is the Kevlar structure. That is n molecules of Kevlar linking together. The large structure Kevlar consists of a covalent bond, hydrogen bond. Then these chains are linked together by weak van der Waals force of attraction. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയത് first polymers. Then polymers are classified into homopolymer and copolymer. Copolymer again classified into 4 times: random copolymer, alternate copolymer, graft copolymer, and block copolymer. Then 2 examples of copolymer. First one ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene rubber. Then its preparation, property, and uses. The second example is Kevlar. Kevlar is the polyparaphenylene terephthalamide. Then in the preparation, property, and uses. Okay, thank you.